So when you think about the change in the audience, we think about where behavior comes from. Have you ever done this? You ever walked into like the grocery store or any place in public and you look at another person and they do something kind of off the mark, if you will, and you look at them and you think in your head, did they just do that right in front of me? Like, what is wrong with them? I've had to shift my lens over the years and really look at people from a different, perspective. I've had to change my perception. And it is about a perception change. We cannot control what happens in front of us. We can only control our response. So here we are where I believe that we're a much more reactive society than we are a responsive society. And we've got to be more responsive because we can change the behavior of our kids if we can respond in a way that we want them to respond. When we react through our heavy punishment rewards, then they actually either learn to avoid the punishment or seek the reward, but they're never internalizing a skill. And that worries me. So I go out into the world and I see line corrals and I see signs that tell us where to put our feet. And I see all kinds of other, kind of accommodations, if you will, that are helping us to behave better when we should know how to do that in the first place. That's where we need to get with social emotional learning. When you think about the causal factors of behavior, that's where you're going to really be able to shift your mindset.